Grill it now, work it good. Grill this shrimp just like you should. Taco about a good taco. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Chris. Welcome back to the Lodge Kitchen. We're gonna be making the August recipe of the month. We've got our citrus shrimp tacos with avocado aioli. We're gonna be using our sizzling citrus sear blend. This stuff is amazing. Don't believe me? Keep watching. So step one when you're grilling shrimp, we gotta season the shrimp. I'm gonna use a little bit of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is gonna help my seasoning blend coat the shrimp really nicely, and it's gonna have, just something for this amazing stuff to hang on to. I'm gonna hit this with about a tablespoon of our sizzling citrus blend. This is bright, it's fresh, and it's just makes everything just beautiful. I'm just gonna give this a toss. So you could use oil here, just a little bit of oil here would also do a similar thing. But what I wanna do, I wanna add some tanginess and something new to my shrimp tacos. That's why I'm using mayonnaise. These are gonna fly into the refrigerator and hang out while we make our aioli. So to make our aioli, it's basically just garlicky mayonnaise, but you definitely want to use fresh garlic. That's beautiful. I'm just gonna knock that to the side. Now we've got an avocado. I'm gonna slice this avocado. First, I'm gonna take it in half, and then it should open right up. So I'm just gonna give this a tap. If I give it a good solid tap, then it should come straight out. I'm gonna run my knife through this vertically. I want them a little thick because I'm gonna grill some of this avocado. Now, we've got a lime. I'm gonna roll that lime. What that's gonna do is it's gonna release some of those juices and get everybody nice and ready to squeeze. Chop that right in half, and I'll set that to the side. Now we're gonna build our aioli. I'm gonna do this with an immersion blender. You can do it with a whisk. I just have an immersion blender and I think it's pretty sweet. So I've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. That's gonna go straight into this container. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Then we have our garlic. You gotta have garlic if you're making an aioli. We're gonna hit it with a good amount of our sizzling citrus sear blend. Because like I said, folks, turns it into what? Gold. All right, and then just a squeeze of our lime juice. Look how easily that came out, folks. It's because we rolled it. Let's take some of this beautiful avocado. All right, that's beautiful, very consistent, creamy. Look at that color. That came together super quickly. It's definitely a showstopper. Your guests are gonna be like, what? I can't believe you made that. Don't tell them how easy it was, okay? I'm going to put that into this little Ziploc bag. Now, that's just gonna hang out until we're ready to dress our tacos. You know what I didn't do?
Put olive oil?
Yeah, it's okay. So I forgot to put olive oil in our aioli, and that's gonna help it drizzle. So because I did it in this rad little bag, I think we can cheat. We just need a tablespoon. It's just gonna help thin out the consistency a little bit. And we're gonna shake it up. Woo! Boom. How's that? Perfect aioli every time. All right, time to grab the shrimp. I'm gonna put some gloves on, because you guys don't want to see my fingers covered in mayonnaise.
Yuck.
That was a weird statement. All right, so we've got our bowl of shrimp. It's been marinating. We're gonna take our shrimp skewer and we're gonna take it towards the tail portion of the shrimp, and we're just gonna thread that through. We're gonna take another skewer, and that's gonna go through the thicker portion of the shrimp. And what that's gonna do is hold our shrimp in place, but they should look something like this when we're done. This is always the time, when I'm doing something that feels like kind of monotonous, or like weird songs get stuck in my head. And right now, it's the DuckTales theme song, but in my head, I'm saying, shrimp tails, woo! So we've built our shrimp skewers. They're beautiful and they're ready to rock and roll. But now it's time to talk about the iron. This is a beautiful grill pan. I love this. This is probably my favorite double burner griddle that we make. It's our Chef Collection double burner griddle. Pick one up if you don't already have one. So that's gonna go across a couple burners, and I'm gonna kick this on to medium heat. That's gonna go 3 to 5 minutes, and then we are going to just check it to make sure that it is perfectly hot. We'll do that with our water test, and then we'll sear our shrimp. Oh, I gotta get the seasoning spray. And we're back. This is how we check to make sure that our grill pan, or cast iron in general, is nice and hot. Just flick some water on it, and that's just gonna tell me that my grill pan is at the right temperature. So now we're gonna oil our grill pan. Boom, boom. We've got our shrimp skewers. Now we're gonna place these on the grill pan, and we're gonna do it a little bit of an angle. And we wanna make sure that our shrimp is coming into full contact with those beautiful grill lines, giving us that amazing char that we all know and love. Make sure that we are pressing gently and making sure that our shrimp is coming into full contact with those grill lines. All right, time to disappear this. All right, we're gonna take our shrimp skewers and we are going to just give them a flip. And one of the things that I like about this seasoning blend and what we designed it for was to be able to take the heat and just season your food and not your skillet. So we're gonna space these out a little bit, and we will toss on some of our avocado. And I'm just gonna grill that on one side. I just wanna pick up that smokiness, give it a little bit more depth of flavor, and it also looks pretty cool. So we're gonna let this just continue to cook. We're picking up those grill lines, that char, that beautiful flavor off of our sizzling citrus sear blend. Then we're gonna plate our tacos, and they're going to be epic. And I've got a plate. If you don't have a Wackadoo plate at home, then you can use whatever plate you have. We have a Wackadoo plate, so that's what we're gonna be plating on. So we're just gonna take our shrimp skewers. We've got awesome char on our avocado. This looks amazing. You just have to do one side. And let's put our tacos together. Another thing that you can do is wrap your tortillas in aluminum foil and just pop that on top of your hot griddle or grill pan, and the residual heat's gonna warm those up. So let's build some tacos. We've got pico de gallo, we have jalapeno, we have cilantro and a little bit of lime. We want 2 tacos, right folks? We're hungry. We came to eat today. I always like to build my tacos like that if I put 2 on my plate. So my kids, they're like, what are you building? I'm like, it's tacos, man. So we're gonna take our shrimp skewers and I'm gonna knock 4 off onto my plate. And if you guys wanna bust me up, we can pull the tails off now. I like to cook with the tails on because they're prettier. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of our pico de gallo, a little bit of our cilantro. I like jalapeno, and I'm living on the edge, folks. All right, now for that amazing avocado aioli, hit that with just a little bit more of our cilantro. And to top it off, I'm gonna hit it with one more, just sprinkle of that amazing sizzling citrus blend and just a touch of lime. That, my friends, is a shrimp taco fit for kings. I'm gonna dive right into this taco. It's absolutely amazing. Damn. Wow, it's bright, it's citrusy, got some spice from that jalapeno. This is amazing. It's everything I want my shrimp taco to be. This is our August recipe of the month. Hope you guys have been cooking along with us as we go. I encourage you guys to turn it into your own recipe and tag us on social media. Keep following along for more awesome content.